Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
This is an avocado, guys. Mike Foster here. I've done a lot of avocado videos. Recipes, sandwiches, salads, and several different ways of how you can eat it and prepare an avocado. But today, I discovered the simplest, fastest, easiest way to eat an avocado. I'm not kidding you. This is the way to do it. If you just want a fast, quick, simple and easy, delicious, healthy, man, that's a lot of stuff, snack. Check it out. You take the avocado, this front part, and you cut it right here. And you have this piece to eat. And then I'm going to show you how to eat this piece. Just like this. This piece is already edible. A little salt, a little pepper. How's this for simple? Squeeze it, and you eat it like that. Oh! Those of you who haven't tried avocado, it's delicious just like this. You can make guacamole, put it in sandwiches, salads. I've got a million recipes, check them out. But some folks say they don't like avocado. I can't believe it, but this is a simple way to eat it this way. Watch this. Perfect. Let me show you even a simpler way to eat it. You take the rest of it like this. You take a spoon and you eat it right out of there. Look at this. Fast, simple, easy, delicious. If you want to use it for something else, you just can scoop it out like this. Check it out. Scoopy, like that. And you can just add that to your sandwich or your salad or your big fat mouth like this. And then you just take it and you just keep eating it. You keep eating it until you get the pit, and then you can pull the pit right out and eat the whole thing right in its little skin. I bet you didn't think you could do it that way. Check that out. Easiest, simplest, fastest way to eat an avocado by Mike Foster at Live Life 365. Tell people about it and keep living life 365. Until next time, peace. This is so easy.
Live life 365.
I've done a lot of avocado videos. And if you don't want to eat it, check it out and keep living. It's still, if you don't like avocado, you're crazy. You gotta try it this way. Baba. Boop. I did it.